what's up, guys? So we just got this Chrysler 2016. We're about to clean it out. Came with 2 Heinekens. Not bad, not bad. Interior looks good, you know. Rims look good. This is what we saw in the trunk, which we're gonna be taking out. Got nice. What are those Roshi rounds?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, they look pretty clean. I'm about to give this away. Actually, look at these. These are actually pretty clean. Yo, if you got size, what size is this? Yo, size 10. About to give it away, bro. This shit is clean.
Yo, I'm size 10.
Yo, keep that shit.
Yo, this shit is mad nasty, though.
Yo. Oh, these are nice, bro. Got a nice big umbrella. Okay. Yo, we got La Biblia. No, this is
Santas
Escrituras. Yo, this guy was like a Jehovah's Witness vibes, bro. Probably what it is. Yo, we might as well just give this away, bro. We're gonna give this some sneakers, you know. These are pretty fresh. Dead stock. BVNDS, bro. I don't know if you want to dress up real quick. Got you with the leather bag, you know. What is this? Yo, get one of those books. Parábola de Dios. Sí, sí, muy bien. What is this? Organizados para hacer la voluntad de Jehovah. Yo, I was right. Yo, that's crazy. This guy was actually Jehovah's Witness, bro. Damn.
Wow, you got a nice bag, though.
Oh, no. Okay.
More books, bro.
Yeah, I found this fire-ass book, though. Leonardo da Vinci. This is pretty dope. I'm gonna keep this one. And these. I don't know if these are for sildenafil. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a Viagra or like hair growth. We're about to put this over there. Guys, this is what we got in stock. Nice dress suit, dress pants, a hoodie. So like a nice jacket. Banana Republic. We got these sneakers right here. This one we couldn't find a pair. And an umbrella. So we're just gonna leave this stuff out here. This one's actually, I think I showed you guys, it's full. So I'm gonna leave that out here. Whoever comes by can take it. This bag already filled up. So much shit in here. I'm about to get that right there. I think this goes on the battery. We got another tie. It's not bad. Keep this. Yo, whoever finds this, you already know. Happy birthday. I mean, overall, the car has not been used, you know. Hasn't been that abused. We've seen worse. It's pretty cool. We got a, there's no gear shifter to hold. It's like a, what's it called? Like a dial. Next thing you know, you want to put the music up, you go in reverse. Yo, we got first customer. I'm not gonna go up to her, but she's right behind that car. You know, that's good. That's good, that's good.
Alright, so we just came here to change all the brake pads and rotors right here. I got the Power Stop Extreme Performance brake system.
Damn. Look guys, these rotors are fucked up. Especially the front ones. Look at this. That's crazy. That's all from sitting at the auction. This garbage. You know. Show you the new rotors right now. Looking all shiny. You know. All four. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Got the scratch from parking we need to fix up. Nothing crazy, but you guys can see. Yo guys, so this is what it looks like. Pretty fire, if you ask me. Super clean. We just got a buff that spot right there, but other than that, you know, it's looking good. Body's in good condition. We just changed the rotors. Brand new pads and rotors, shiny, you know. Interior, let me show you guys from here. Everything's super clean. Look at that. No check engine, nothing, man. Show you guys from this side. This is after we cleaned it. What you guys think? You guys see the dash? We only got, let me show you guys, so you're not gonna believe it. This car literally has, look at that, 28k miles on it. Nothing wrong with it. I mean, we just had to clean it up a little bit, but I mean, everything else besides that, did some basic maintenance, and car runs perfect. So comment down below what you guys think, if you think it was a good investment or what, you know. But I kind of like this car actually. It's like for a daily driver, this car is pretty nice. Drives super smooth. You know, definitely smoother than the Jeep. You know, so I actually like this car. So comment down below what you guys think, and see you next time. Peace.